What is up, everybody? I'm gonna show you guys my live trades right now. Ooh. As of this right now, over $150 in profit. Um, Australia's news that was released, their monetary policy statements was more hawkish than expected, so that drove up the currency against the dollar. Let's see here. I've been swinging gold and USD JPY. This morning I was negative, like negative 20, negative $30, and then now it's finally peaking back up. Gold is at 1237 USD JPY. Went all the way down to 112.1, but now it's trying to retrace back up to 112. I would say we'll try to retrace all the way to 112.5, but this is where I'm at. I know I don't have like the best webcam, so I want to bear with me, guys. And this is a live account. Let's see that. It's live. I'm not faking anything here. So when you're on the premium account for LMFX, it's a 1,001 for the leverage. So, and plus they give you 100% matching bonus. I put 500 in this morning. My equity is at 1,100, almost 1,200, and so this is the LMFX demo contest. It was tapping above 600,000 right now. I'm at 1.2 million in equity. Euro went past. Euro finally broke $1.15, so it's gonna keep going. I wouldn't be surprised, like I said, what I said this morning, that it's gonna hit either 117 or 118 before fall. Wouldn't be surprised. I got some crazy trades on stacking trades on top of trades. This strategy, I didn't notice, but this strategy, when you stack a trade on another trade, that's called pyramiding or legging, and you're just stacking another trade, and then one of the guys I was telling, he said that you're supposed to put a stop loss. I actually don't use stop loss on my trades whatsoever, because if it does retrace back, which it usually does sometimes, you end up losing, some of the profit that you would have if you would just cashed out. So I don't set any stop loss on any of my trades when I'm swinging, because I'm looking at the overall week of where the trend's going, and I didn't know anything about swinging at all in the beginning, so now I'm starting to get used to it, and that's why I took this more serious. And definitely when I did the demo contest, I learned the hard way of not knowing when to swing. And both these charts are USDJ. I need, they're both gold. Oh, hang on. I was trying to show you guys. Oh man, bear with me. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, boy, boy. Where is it? Woo, no, not this one. What? Let me fix this stuff here. Apparently it's not going the way that I thought it was. I'm still getting used to this stuff, guys. Okay. So I got USD JPY here. It didn't start dropping significantly until after a little bit after 7:30, 8 p.m. and then it just dramatically dropped as soon as the Reserve Bank of Australia announced, some hawkish comments. I don't know what they said, but see what I'm looking at Forex Factor, it said it's more hawkish than it is. FX Street said some stuff about it. I don't know exactly what they were saying. Comments. Key points: RBA was similar to other CBs, like lower currency, but not concerned on Australia, where it is now. It's been a long time since they signaled concern about it, so that means they're very positive. You can tell that it's still rising up, and Australia is going to be pretty neutral. Nominal rate stands 3.5%. I mean, I just got back from fishing, so I wasn't looking at any of my trades. So luckily, my wife was looking at them. Let's see where we at. 192. It was tapping 200 before, so. And these are my trades. Am I gonna swing this? Yes, I am gonna swing it. We'll take a look at it. What was gonna happen? I know I'll probably end up buying the pound because there's how many news on the pound? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 news release for the pound on core CPI and PPI. So, and that would be 3:30 for me, right? Yep, 3:30 a.m. my time. That's in 6 hours from now. It's gonna be pretty interesting. And then 5 in the morning is German economic sentiment for Euro. So that's gonna be another key point to take a look at. Plus, let's see, export import price index, spread book for US in the morning. Not so much. That's pretty much nothing too crazy tomorrow. Well, that's what I'm looking at right now. But yeah, like I said, I mean, this is the two main pairs I'm focusing on is buying gold and selling USD JPY. Now, unless something dramatically happens during midweek, like Wednesday or Thursday, where US announces something that, like if the Fed announces that they were going to raise rates in the fall, well, they weren't going to, but if they say they were going to raise rates in the fall, then that would definitely increase the US dollar. But I haven't really seen or heard anything about the Fed today. And I haven't heard anything about Trump at all today either. So it's been really low key on the DL for the down low for US dollar index. That's something else I always pay attention to as well. And I always look at Fox News, Bloomberg, CNN, ABC News, anything that might end up with the Fed, or if any important meetings with Trump that might say something that might spike up the U.S. dollar or spike down the U.S. dollar. So that's a very key point indicator I always take a look at as well. But other than that, I'm still sitting at 600,000 for the demo in profits, and I'm at the $170, $180 in profits on my live account that I just started today. So I think that's all I got. I will try and shoot a video for London sessions if I do stay up. I have class all day tomorrow. So besides trading, I am trying to finish my degree as well. So probably I'm pretty sure I'm gonna get some comments on probably why I'm going to school, but I got a free education from the military, so might as well take advantage of that. But other than that, I think that's all I got. But thanks for watching this, and I'm gonna keep posting more videos as much as I can, and down the road I'm gonna have more monitors and do actually like a live conference, live YouTube, that way live feed, that way you guys can see live trading, all like that way you guys can see live trading as much as you guys can for me, because I want to be able to do that, and I want to give as much free knowledge as I can, that way you guys can learn how to trade as well, and take some of my skills and some of my strategies and techniques and use it for, or improve your trading style. So other than that, thanks for watching, guys.